Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to set customized ringtone in IQOO Z6 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open Chrome. Then you need to search Z. Then enter into the Z's website. Now click use in your web browser. Now lot of ringtones available here. You can play. If you want to set this ringtone, you need to click on that, then click continue on browser, then click download. Now wait a few seconds. Now the file is downloaded into the phone. Now I will come out, then open the settings, then into the sound. Now swipe up, then click phone ringtone, then click custom ringtone from here. Now you can find the fancy like ringtone we downloaded available here. You need to choose from that. So that's all guys. Now custom ringtone is set successfully. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.